Unlock daily income in just 5 minutes. Watch my 5-minute presentation to discover a no-nonsense path to daily earnings. Forget the hype. This isn't an MLM. There are no sales pitches here. No spam, no false claims, and absolutely no fees at all. Just a straightforward system designed to help you succeed. Are you ready? My 5-step blueprint to daily income is for you. A quick 5-minute watch could change everything for you. Just pure actionable strategy ready to unlock your earning potential. This is the real deal. No MLM, no pushy sales, no annoying spam, no empty promises, and definitely no hidden fees. And it all starts with finding the right product. Forget guesswork. Instead, focus on high demand, low competition items people are actively searching for. Use powerful analytics platforms like Kello Data or similar tools online. These tools reveal trending products, popular keywords, and what's already selling on TikTok or Amazon, giving you a massive advantage. This isn't about guessing. It's about data-driven decisions to find products with great commission rates and broader appeal. Once you've got your winning product, it's time to tell your story. Your script is your hook. In just few seconds, you need to clearly articulate the product's benefits and why it is a must-have. Focus on solving a problem. I will show you how to create an irresistible ad script that is short, captivating, and designed to hook your audience immediately. Think less about giving a sales pitch and more about providing a solution. Now let's make it visual. You absolutely don't need to be a pro to create stunning video ads. Tools like vid.io or Veo app make video editing incredibly simple. Just upload your clips, add text overlays, background music, and effects that really make your product shine. Focus on clear visuals of the product in action and easy to read text, turning your script into a polished, engaging video ready to grab attention. To truly leverage TikTok's power for earning, you need a business account. This isn't just an upgrade. It is your gateway to turning views into commissions. It provides vital analytics to track video performance and audience demographics. Most importantly, it allows you to add clickable links directly in your posts and profile bio, making it seamless for your audience to go from watching to buying. Then you simply post. It's that powerful. Upload your finished, compelling video ad to your TikTok business account. Craft a concise, engaging description that includes relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Critically, insert your Amazon product links prominently. Make it effortless for viewers to click and purchase. This is where every single view transforms into a potential earning. And now, for the most satisfying part, watch your money fill your account every single day. As your videos gain traction and people click your links, leading to purchases on Amazon or TikTok Shop, you will earn commissions. This isn't theoretical. It's a proven model for consistent daily income. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme either. It is a strategic system for consistent daily earnings, built on platforms millions of users already use. It's about smart work, not hard work, leveraging the digital landscape to your advantage. The opportunity is here right now to build a reliable stream of income from your phone. You have the tools, you have the platforms, and with my guidance, you have the exact steps. Stop wishing for more income and start creating it. I have compiled the precise, actionable steps you need to get started today. This isn't just information, it's your blueprint for daily earnings. Download the exact steps now. Click the button below to download your complete step-by-step guide and begin your journey to earning daily with TikTok and Amazon products. No experience needed. Earn while you play on your phone.